In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add clickable images with links in Wix. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening the website where you want to make changes. Once you are inside your site dashboard, click Edit Site to open the Wix editor. When the editor loads, go to the page where you want the clickable image to appear. If the image is already on your page, click it once to select it. If you still need to add an image, click Add Elements, then choose Image and drag the image onto your page. Place it in the section where you want visitors to see it. After the image is on the page, select it so the image toolbar appears. On that toolbar, click the link icon. This opens the link settings for that image. Next, choose the type of link you want to use. Wix gives you several options here. You can link the image to another page on your website, to a web address, to a section on the page, to an anchor, to a document, to an email option, to a phone number option, or to a lightbox. Pick the option that matches where you want the image to send visitors. After choosing the link type, enter or select the correct destination. For example, if you want the image to open another page on your Wix site, choose that page from the list. If you want it to open an external website, paste in the web address. Make sure the destination is correct before moving on. Once everything looks right, click Done to apply the link to the image. The image is now clickable. If needed, you can resize the image or move it to a better position on the page. This does not remove the link, so you can adjust the layout after the link has been added. If you have more than one image to link, repeat the same process for each one. Select the image, click the link icon, choose the link type, add the destination, and click Done. When you finish adding links, click Preview to test your page. Select each clickable image and make sure it opens the correct destination. If something does not work as expected, go back into the editor and update the link settings. Once everything is working properly, click Publish to make your changes live on your website. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.